sweet. B is for butterfly with wings so neat. C is for cat, who purrs as they play. D is for dog, who wags all day. E is for elephant so big and gray. F is for frog, who leaps away. G is for garden, where flowers grow. H is for hat, on your head it'll go. I is for ice cream, a yummy delight. J is for jump, with all your might. K is for kite, flying high in the sky. L is for ladybug, who stops by. M is for moon, that glows at night. N is for nest, where birds take flight. O is for owl, who hoots, woo woo. P is for panda, eating bamboo. Q is for queen with a shiny crown. R is for rainbow that stretches around. S is for sun, so warm and bright. T is for train chugging out of sight. U is for umbrella on a rainy day. V is for a violin that starts to play. W is for whale, who swims in the sea. X is for xylophone playing happily. Yogurt, creamy and cool. Z is for zebra, who is striped and cool. Now we've learned our ABC, so let's sing the